Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18. Sally has a dry nose and it's kind of warm, so I think she's feeling a little peaky as well. I'm still feeling really sick, but I feel like the worst right when I wake up, so I know I'll get better. I've also got a pimple patch on. Most of the time I'm totally good, but man, those hormones wreck my skin. I also have another bump that's like inside my nose. I hate those. But otherwise my skin is already getting better. Like I can tell when I start my period, like my skin's like, okay, it's gonna get better. You just, you need a few days to clear up. So at any rate, I am off today. As I told you guys in my vlog on the 16th, my brother passed 2 days after my birthday, which is today, is the anniversary. And I know for a lot of people, I'm gonna break down these boxes. Sorry if this is annoying. I gotta get my recycle on. Every day you miss your loved one when they're gone, but for some reason you just can't help it. Like anniversaries are bad, even if you tell yourself it's fine. It's just another day, and you miss them every day, and you try to make remember the good stuff and all that, all those things that you're supposed to do. But it's still hard on those days because it's a very big reminder. But at any rate, I had a bad enough birthday. I was definitely thinking about that stuff then. So I'm doing okay today. It's almost better when the birthday passes, and it can, I don't know, stop being any expectations about it. I think right now, while I'm feeling like this, I'm gonna have some coffee and maybe watch a movie. I don't know what movie to watch. I watched all the Twilight movies. I watched all the Hunger Game movies. I haven't watched The Family Stone yet, so I may watch that. Like, it's my favorite holiday movie and I want to see it, multiple times. I'm not sure yet, but let's open advent calendars really quick. Why not? Day 18 Glossy Box. The Apto Skin Healing Mask with Turmeric. Ooh. It's the healing mask, and it's to combat unforeseeable skin conditions and reduce redness. Azelaic acid works to remove dead skin cells, treat rosacea, and prevent breakouts. I actually feel like this comes at a really good time. Let's check those ingredients. Okay, so water is the first ingredient. I know that I say water weird, but I try to make myself say water, and it just sounds strange, but whatever. Second ingredient is turmeric. Aloe, squalane made from olive. It's got a lot of good ingredients. Okay, so I'm pretty keen to try this. I think I'll try this out today. It's itching. All right, day 18 of Look Fantastic. Oh my god, I can smell the rose in the box, but it's the Neal's Yard Remedies Wild Rose Hand Cream. I'm not keeping this for myself for sure. I recently started using more hand cream, but I also have a lot of hand cream. I still have 4 Philosophy ones. No. Yeah, the ingredients look good. It's just super fragrant. It's made with 92% organic ingredients. And lastly, Sugarfina. Already been talking for 7 minutes. These I think are sugar cookies. Biscuits au chocolat blanc. I've really been bitching out and not trying a lot of these, so I'm gonna try this one. So I guess like a little sugar cookie ball. I don't want it. Alright, so it's like white chocolate with a cookie center. I think it's fine. I'm just I don't know, I'm not feeling eating anything right now. What is wrong with me? But that is it for advent calendars. I am really so picky about this candy stuff. Who knew? I thought I would be super excited about all of it. But apparently I'm a weirdo. Okay, so I'm going to have coffee, relax for a little bit, and I'll vlog anything that I do that's interesting. I'm definitely going to be wrapping some presents in a little bit, and I also need to look up and see how much a camera battery is for this camera, because this one's pissing me off, bro. I film little clips here and there. I haven't been filming any long videos, and yet my camera's been dying left and right. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna stop talking.
Why do I ramble when I vlog?
Yeah, I need to go. I hope you guys are doing good, and I will talk to you in a bit. Hey guys, so I ordered 2 more batteries and a little charging station for my camera just to get me through until I get another camera. I don't know when that's gonna be. But anyway, I have a little bit of a mess here on my table. This is where my advent calendars were, and I need to put them back, but I'm just doing a little straightening. So I need to put some things away. Some of this I'm going to put in giveaway. I've got some Ipsy goodies in here, Kat Von D liner. I'm definitely putting those in a giveaway. I'm also putting this lash curler. Let me show you my little giveaway stash because it's freaking ridiculous. This is the drawer filled with giveaway stuff. I also have sneaky peek. Oh, I need to do, is it week 3 yet? I did the 1st and the 8th and oh my god, I missed announcing the prizes for week 3. Let me do that. I also have this mirror. I actually really like this mirror. I've got a bunch of stuff, so I'm basically just stashing things for giveaways, and I'm gonna have to go through here and decide like what I want to go in what giveaway, but I've got so much stuff for you guys. But I'm just kind of in like this standstill period on YouTube and Instagram. Like I'm just kind of hanging out in those same numbers. So I'm just gonna let the holidays pass, do all my weekly giveaways, then we'll worry about this. All right, this is probably a horrible angle. I'm just gonna go with it. So I am going to go through comments and things and pick winners. So I noticed the other day too that what I used to do is when I pick somebody for a giveaway, I would contact them directly and just get the information, and that would be it. And then people were like, why don't you post it? Why don't you post it? And I was like, well, I guess I could, you know, if that's what people want me to do. But then I noticed, do you guys follow Melissa? I think her last name is Jovanka or something like that. But Melissa, she's got like 1 million followers on Instagram. I love her. I think she's really sweet. And I noticed that apparently like she picked a giveaway winner and they got upset or didn't want their information. I don't know if they got upset. I shouldn't say that. But they did not want their information put out there, not even their Instagram handle. And I was like, well, that's true. So what I'm going to do from this point on out is contact the winners directly, and I'm going to get your guys' okay if I can post it as an Instagram story or not. Like some people might not want their name put out there, but I mean, I don't know. I don't know how you guys feel about that. Like, granted, there's always going to be a few people who are, you know, they want it one way versus most people want it another way. I don't know, but it is a good point to consider. So it's already the 18th. Again, I'm doing 4 giveaways for the month of December, so it really doesn't matter what day I announce them. But I have 3 prizes for week 3, and then I still need to get something else for my last week. I just can't decide what I want to get. I've gotten 2 really good things, or at least I think they're really good items, and then yeah, I want to add something else. So for week 3, I've got some more Wet n Wild goodies, but I've got an extra one this time. So I've got 2 of the Mega Glow highlighting palettes in their holiday packaging. I think these are absolutely stunning. I've got 2 of those. I also got 2 of the Color Icon 32 pan eyeshadow palettes. This is also really, really pretty. Like, I actually, after getting these home, I was like, oh, maybe I should have gotten a 3rd for myself, but I don't need more makeup, even though I do think these are really, really fun. I think they're so pretty. So, of course, 2 of each of those. And then also, the 2 winners will get one of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus 3-in-1 primer water. So I really like the coconut personally, but I got a coconut and a cucumber. Honestly, I was going to get both coconut, and they had one the day that I was buying them. So I was like, okay, well, a lot of people like cucumber too. So I got 3 items, and again, all you guys have to do to be entered is to be commenting on my Vlogmas videos, and then I'll be picking one winner just from YouTube strictly, and then I'll also be picking a winner from Instagram. So that is, and I haven't even posted that much in December. Like, I might have 6 posts in December, and that'll just be being active and following on Instagram, and then on YouTube, subscribed and commenting. So really it's just being active and those who are supporting me. That's who I'm picking this time. And I've got this big drawer of stuff, and I really, really wanted to wait for, you know, like milestones to do my next giveaways, because I wanted them to be like really epic. But at this point, you know, I feel like it's just getting harder and harder and harder to grow. So I don't know if I want to wait on that personally. There is something on my lens. I do this every time, but I don't know if I want to wait on those. I may be a little bit too impatient for that. So I may do like a New Year's giveaway. I don't know. Also, don't forget, if you go check out my Instagram. One of my recent posts was a video using Skin Lab skincare, and you can win 5 full-size products from them. The cleanser, moisturizer, the eye gel, the treatment serum, and then also a set of masks. But my camera is sitting on the set of masks right now. So 5 masks in that set. So you can win basically their entire Lift and Firm line. And I really liked everything. My skin, even though I was super hormonal, I only had 1 breakout during my like hormonal period. And I've been using this line for the past few days. So I'm pretty happy with it. I think my skin's looking really good. Like, I've done nothing to my skin today. And I'm also sick right now. Luckily, I'm taking something to kind of keep me feeling decent. But I've definitely got like a good nasty cough and like a lot of drainage and stuff like that. Luckily today I'm not as feverish as I was yesterday. It was a rough one. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing amazing. I do need to do some more cleanup. My battery is so bad. So yeah, I ordered some replacement or some more batteries so that I can constantly have one charged and not have to worry about batteries so much. I think I'm going to time lapse doing some Christmas wrapping on my phone because I just feel like it's going to be easier to do it that way when, you know, my phone battery is not going to die nearly that fast. So I may do it that way because usually I'll film it on my camera and then, you know, speed it up. But I think I just want to wrap some presents and just kind of let it go while I do that. And yeah, that is about it for now. I wanted to be more productive, but I have just not been feeling it today. I don't know. I was just literally sitting there thinking like, oh my God, I have so much to do. And I just didn't want to do any of it. So I'm going to put my camera back on the charge for now so that the next time I am ready to film a clip with my camera, I have it charged. I really want a new camera, but I'm just not quite ready to pick and invest just yet because I want to get a really good one. So, okay. Damn it, I'm rambling again. I'll talk to you guys later. Guys, so this is the giant pile of stuff that I have that I am storing. Okay, so I obviously have a lot, but I initially had 5 bins, and basically I had hair, body, this is toners and cleansers, that was serums. I've got sunscreen in there, but I meant to put sunscreen with moisturizers. Whereas I feel like I'm missing a bin. Oh no, that is, I'm sorry. That one is moisturizers and sunscreens. This is serums and masks, but I feel like there was just too much in those. So I wanted to break it down somehow, so I got 2 more bins. So, I don't know. I feel like I need 1 for serums, 1 for masks, 1 for moisture. So this is crazy. I also have here, this is new stuff, mostly in gratis that I got. I'm going to take out the skincare and put it in here, and that's my newest stuff. A few random things that I just got, but I was looking to see if I already had a couple of these things. There's a lot going on. I have so much to sort through. So I'm going to listen to my audiobook on my beats, and I'm going to sort through this stuff. And then after that, I'm probably going to wrap it up so that I can start editing this vlog for you. But let's get to it. Alright, so I think I got most of what I needed to organized. So basically I have one container for masks and exfoliators. I have one for serums and essences, and then I have two that are honestly not that organized, but they have moisturizers, oils, and sunscreens. I may put like all the moisturizers in one and then the oils and the sunscreens in the other, but I feel like I'll just reach for both of those, you know what I mean? And I still have these right here, which are drawers that have a lot of skincare in them. So my goal is to just go here first and grab products. I'm gonna go through here too because I know like this LMS face wash is probably the newest thing that I have in here, and I might want to stick that in the bin as well, just so I know like mentally for the future grab these first. But I've got like the Soap and Glory Milk Makeup Remover. I think I maybe tried this once. I don't know if I like it or not, so I'll give it another go, and then if I don't like it I can pass it along to someone. I've actually got two of these, and I've got one in my bin. This is the Murad Resurgence Multi-Acid Peel. These are actually really new, so I might even just right now while I'm thinking about it store some of this. I know it sounds kind of weird, but I forget easily like what I've had the longest, what's new and what's not, and a lot of this that I have in here is relatively new, whereas like this oil I know has been in here for a while. These cleansing bars from Drunk Elephant have been in here for a while as well, so I don't know if I'll continue to use these for like current skincare. It's kind of overwhelming honestly, the amount that I have, but I'm gonna go through everything that I have. I'm gonna pull out some stuff for my mom. She was asking for some skincare. She usually will not use what I give her, but she says I'll use it this time. I was like, okay. So I'm gonna pull out some stuff to give to her. I will also, of course, as I go through these new things, if I have, you know, duplicates or if it's not for my skin type, I'll put it in a giveaway. So I have so much giveaway stuff right now though that I'm not even worried about that. Like I want to get through some giveaways first. Even like this drawer is crazy, like the amount of toners and things that I have. So I don't know, I've still got a lot to do, but it is definitely time for me to get my vlog done. So I'm going to import the footage and edit really quick, and then I also need to pick the winners. I need to pick 3 winners, 1 for my Jeffree and Shane giveaway and 2 for my first week of Vlogmas, and then probably in the next few days I'll go ahead and pick winners for the second week. So yeah, lots to do and very little time. I need to get going. I've been so lazy today. So I hope you guys enjoyed a Vlogmas day 18 and it was a decent vlog for you. I will definitely be seeing you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day 19. Bye!